We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. So I do have that price for you guys for the Silverado. All right. So if you guys want to use this website, this is an online, not an online, this is a monthly subscription. That means you do have to pay monthly to use this website. You can't use this website if you do not pay the monthly membership, but it tells you the history of these cars, what they sold for, who's selling the car, everything you need to know. If it's been in an auction before, everything you need to know. The link for the website is in the description, because I had somebody in the comments said, "What's the link to the website?" The link to this website is in the description, guys. All right. So yeah, I remember the video of the 2010 Silverado. Nice truck. I like the truck. There was a couple of things going on with the truck if you guys don't remember. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So the first thing was, which it probably needed a not a water pump, but it might have not needed one. It just probably needed some coolant in there. Because the coolant was low and the water pump was making noise. And like I tell you guys, everything's a risk, man. So let's just remember all of the things that was going on with the car or truck before we go into how much it sold for. So we might have had a water pump issue, maybe, which is not that bad, just some labor. What else? Power steering fluid was low. I just think it needed some power steering fluid in there. What else? Oh, and of course, the back. So, and the motor was making a little noise just because, and again, that's because I think the water pump, there was no water in the water pump. You know what I mean? No coolant rather. So let's go ahead and look at the pictures real quick. This truck here, if you guys don't remember, here it is. Nice truck. Let me save that. Nice truck, man. The back was messed up. If I got the truck, only thing that I was gonna do. Oh, and I don't know if I even said this in the video. It had a rear main seal leak. It wasn't like leaking like profusely on the ground. It was just leaking. You know, it was just wet. You know what I'm saying? Where the transmission and the engine meets, where the engine meets the transmission up under the car. So if I bought the car, I was just gonna take this tow hitch off, try to knock it back up, and then put try to get it straightened out so I can put the bumper and the tail gate back on. So this is what it looked like. It had some nice wheels on there. The truck was in decent condition, man. Y'all know I really don't want to spend that much money on the cars no more. But for this one, I kind of, it's over with now. Had 179,000 miles. Remember, it was a 2008 or 2010. I'm about to get that for y'all in a minute. All right. If it was a 2008 or a 2010, I don't even remember. So let's see. Oh, right there at the top, 2010 Silverado 1500. So one more time, the back needed to be fixed. The motor, it was a little leak between the transmission and the motor, which is the rear main seal, which it wasn't like leaking that bad. You know, it's a 2011. You can expect for something with 179,000 miles on it, so you can expect a little something. So wasn't super tripping about that, as long as it wasn't just leaking on the ground. You know what I mean? Just sitting there leaking. And maybe something was going on with the power water pump. We don't know. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. I'm not going to talk you guys ear off. So, boom. How much did the 2010 Silverado sell for with 179,000 miles? What's going on, Hustle Nation? If you're interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect these cars at auctions or private party sales, make sure you head over to whdacademy.com. You're going to learn how to spot a bad car in seconds, how to get your dealer license, how not to get scammed from the auctions or private parties, and how not to get a limit. I got a lot of tips, a lot of tricks, and a lot of techniques in this academy that's going to teach you everything you need to know to be successful in this auction game. I done help thousands of other people. You can see what they're saying. I have helped all these people here you see in the comment section and who has been replying about the My Academy. So make sure you check out the website, guys. I got 2 options on there for you guys. You get the full curriculum, or I can just give you the basic how to inspect cars package for $49. See you guys on the inside if you're interested. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Boom. And it's pending. So pending means that it hasn't sold yet. I would have to be 5,900. So by the way, this is the sale price, not with fees and everything. Let me go ahead and get the fees and everything for you guys. Let me go ahead and put it in my my phone. So you're looking at 50. Well, I would have been 5,900, but I'm gonna just tell y'all what this sold for. All right, so 5,800 out the door was $6,863. So what do you guys think about that? $6,863. Seeing what needed to be fixed, seeing the stuff that I just said, you know, just told you guys. Was it a good deal? Y'all let me know in the comments below. I ended up passing on it. Me, I would have been 7,000 out the door if I would have bid the 5,900. I honestly wanted to pay 6,000 for this truck, but as soon as the truck went for sale, it was like ding ding ding, like everybody was just pushing the button on this thing. So a lot of people, I guess, wanted this thing. It was a nice truck. I think I can actually save this to my little watch list. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if it sells again. It is pending, which means it did not sell. You got to give Copart a day or sometimes to think about it. So they might end up selling it, honestly. But according to the website, everything was only in one auction. The risk was low, odometer was good, and 5,800 was 60% of the retail value, which was $10,970. When I was looking them up online, the cheapest one I seen was like 7,500, but it had 200 and some thousand miles on it, and I'm not sure if it would have been a salvage title car. And real quick, I'm just gonna say this real quick. A lot of people don't think that salvage title cars sell. Salvage title cars sell definitely all day. It just depends on what the salvage is for, man. Like, this is nothing, bro. Somebody was just in a little accident. You know what I'm saying? So I know there's some of you guys put salvage title cars down, but don't be really nothing wrong with these cars. They got into a little fender bender and they put them back together. And to be honest with you guys, there's probably a lot of cars that have been into fender benders that were not even reported to the insurance company, and these cars still drive around to this day. And yeah, that's all I really got to say about that. So, some of y'all look down on salvage title cars. Me personally, I don't, especially if it's like very minor damage like this. This is nothing, bro. This is nothing. Yeah, it will bring by having a salvage title, it does bring the value of the truck down a little bit, but not as much as you guys may think. Trust me, all right? I just had to share that with you guys. And remember, guys, never mind, that's too much information. Shout out to the whole Tire Hustle Nation, though. I appreciate and love y'all for y'all support. Get in the comments below and let me know, did I pass up on a good truck, or did I do the right thing and not mess with this truck? Everybody let me know in the comments below. That 6,800 out the door, it is still pending, so that means it hasn't sold yet. I just was bidding on it this morning. I decided to let it go because I wanted to pay $6,000. Y'all get in the comments below and let me know what y'all think, how much y'all think it would have cost to fix that. If you got to go back to watch the video of me doing this truck to see where the damage was, make sure you go back and watch that. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm out. Peace. This video has been sponsored to you by AutoAstat. Now, AutoAstat is a tool that I use to help me find out if cars were staged in Copart. For example, this 2021 Cadillac CT5 was sold for $24,800. But if you go down, you can actually see more information about the car. You can see that it was vandalized. That's why it's here. The car starts and everything. But if you go all the way down to the sales history, you can see that the car was also sold in 2021, and you can find out more information about it. It was sold by the insurance company State Farm, but if you click it, you can also see that the car had another lot number that sold for $20,000. If you look at the photos here, you can also see that this car actual damage was right here on the side there. So that means that someone bought the car, fixed the doors, and then resold it back in Copart for $24,800, and they actually did the writing themselves. So they were the ones who vandalized the car. This website can also be used if you want to know how much I bought my cars for, because I never really tell you guys how much I pay for cars. So you can also find how much I pay for cars and if something is fishy going on with the car. So if you are interested, my link is in the description below. Make sure you sign up with my referral link. And lastly, this website can also be used for Copart and IAA. So here's the Copart website. All you would have to do is copy the lot number or the VIN number, or you can go to IAA and also just copy the lot number. So here's the lot number here, and all you would do is set it up top, and there you go. So it works for IAA and Copart. And lastly, there is a monthly subscription. I personally use the Pro package, which is $49.95, but you can also get the personal package, which is $19.95. You can look up cars in the last 2 years, and with the Pro package you can look up cars in the last 4 years. But when I tell you guys it is worth it, it is really worth it. It has helped me save a lot of money.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in
You
the
are,
pandemic.
you already know,
We don't
man.
give a damn about no depression, recession. We're gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.